Hello everyone and welcome to our first Maltego Essentials video. In this series, we will cover all the basics of Maltego and get you acquainted with its various bells and whistles. In this first video, we'll briefly introduce the topics that we'll be covering throughout this series, and we'll also give you a glimpse of things to come. We aim to keep the videos short, not longer than 5 minutes each, and we encourage you to watch through the entire series and practice what you've learned in between. Even old hands at Maltego might learn a thing or two that can help with their investigations going forward. Our goal with this series is to get you up and running as quickly as possible. At the end of this series, you will be able to perform open source intelligence investigations of your own. We will start this series by making sure that everyone can install Maltego, register for a free account or sign in with a commercial key, and run your first transform. We will then dive a bit deeper into operating the tool, manipulating the graph, and getting more information about the bits of information presented to you. Finally, we will look at a few advanced tips and tricks and show you how you can import your data. It's not necessary to purchase a license key to follow along with this series. You can use the link in the description below to download and sign up for a free commercial edition key. As far as possible, we will make sure the examples we use are relevant to our free users, but we will point out when there are slight differences to take note of. We hope to see you in all the upcoming videos of the Maltego Essentials series. Don't miss a video, remember to subscribe and you'll be notified as soon as we release a new video. We enjoy hearing from you, so please share your ideas with us as well as any questions or comments. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.